Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to do the seafloor spreading map discussion. Kind of what I want you to do if you are at home. We're going to be doing this in class. So if you go to Schoology, we're in Unit 1. We're going to start with the Monday folder. So if you click on that, you'll be able to see the seafloor spreading map discussion, and you'll do this after you do your seafloor spreading worksheet. So if you click on that, it has directions there for you, and then it wants you to answer the questions below. So if you look at this map, it's asking you where you think the mid-ocean ridges are located. Okay, so do you think they're located in the gray? Do you think they're located in the green? Where do you think they're located? And then you're going to use evidence from your map to support your answer. So if it's closer to something, further away from something, so why are you saying what you're saying? So if you're saying the mid-ocean ridge is located here, what evidence from your map are you having to support that? And then when you create your argument, it says use the engaging and argument from evidence graphic organizer for number 2 in Schoology. So when you're going to make your argument, you'll go back to the Monday folder, and you'll click on this engaging an argument from evidence graphic organizer. And you click on that. And I did a video on how to fill these out earlier. It's in the mini lesson videos as well. But you're actually able to click in here and type, and then you'll submit that to Schoology in your assignment. You just submit it.